Hi, I'm Juanito Cristobal Jr. from Cebu, Philippines. It is with deep gratitude and genuine honor that having been chosen as one of the funded delegates to the Global Peace Summit 2026 in Paris, France, I sincerely thank the organizers for this incredible opportunity and for believing in my potential to contribute to global dialogue and peace building. This summit is more than an event. It is a space where young leaders from around the world come together to exchange ideas, learn from experts, and build partnerships that transcends borders. I look forward to gaining new knowledge on conflict resolution, diplomacy, sustainable development, and collaborative leadership. I am also eager to join capacity building workshops, engage in policy discussion, and connect with fellow delegates who share the same commitments to creating positive change in our communities. Thank you once again for this meaningful opportunity. I am committed to using the lessons, networks, and inspiration from the Global Peace Summit to strengthen peace initiatives and create lasting impact home. Thank you.